Joy Daruka, 38 years of age, married, and I have a 14 years old son. I work in Hong Kong for only 10 months because my employer terminated my contract due to economic changes, because she doesn't have to work and she decided not to work anymore. My main duties to them is taking a toddler child and doing household chores as well. And I can work with coworker, but it is better to work alone. It doesn't matter if I'm taking care of a child, newborn or elderly or a pet. As long as I have work, I am okay with that. My personality is, of course, I am happy. I am kind and loving person, and also I am a patiently one, especially for kids. Thank you, and see my profile to